Today, you will learn two different methods for color grading images to bring out that crisp, vibrant look everyone loves. So without wasting any more time, let's hop straight into Photoshop. Okay, for the first method of color grading your images, we have this beautiful image of an astronaut. First, come up to layer and then down to new adjustment layer and then come down again to gradient map. Now here, leave all the settings just as they are and change the mode to soft light and then change the opacity to 30 and then click OK. Now double click on this color right here and leave the name as it is and change the gradient type to noise. Now change the roughness to 20%. And you can leave the color modes as they are. Make sure restrict colors is checked. So if it's not checked, make sure it's checked. And you can leave the add transparency unchecked. Now click randomize to color grade your image. So as we click, you realize it adds different color grades to our image. So you change it till you get one which you are satisfied with. So let's say for example we are satisfied with this one. So when you are satisfied, just click OK. And this is before we added the color grade and this is after. This is before and this is after. So if you are not satisfied with the color grade you applied, you can come here and click on this icon again and then double click on this and then you can come back and keep clicking randomize until you get a color which you are satisfied with. So I think I like this one. This looks beautiful to me, so I'm going to keep this. Click OK. This is before, this is after, before and after. So you can see we've added a very beautiful color grade to our image. So let's move to the next method as well. Okay, now for the second method for color grading our images, which is actually my favorite way of color grading images. We have this beautiful image right here. So to do that, let's first create a duplicate. So click Ctrl+G to duplicate your image. Now come up to filter and down to camera raw filter. Now in camera raw filter, come to your color mixer and click this icon to open your color mixer. Now you want the green in the background to come out more so that the leaves look more vibrant. So increase your green to your preferred amount. I think I'm going to keep mine at 100%. 100 looks nice to me. And then for her skin, orange will help with that. So let's increase the orange as well. So I think 100 for the orange is also okay. And then let's add a bit of yellow as well to help with her skin because it looked pale at first. So I'm going to keep the yellow at 70. 70 is okay. Let's add a bit of red. The red didn't make much of a difference, but I add something. So 70 for the red as well. And then let's see if blue also makes the water look blue. So let's increase the blue as well. I think the blue rather makes the umbrella look very nice. So I'm going to keep the blue at 90. And then let's increase the aqua. Yeah, the aqua also adds something to the umbrella, which is very nice. So 100 for the aqua as well. And I think that's it. I'm satisfied with how the image looks. So just click OK. And just like that, you've color graded your image. So this is before we did the color grading and this is after. You can see there has been a major improvement in the image. So basically with the camera raw filter, you just have to look at your image and then look at the colors you want to bring out and then just increase the figures on that number. And you have your beautiful color grade before and after. Before and after. Thanks for watching the video. If you learned something today, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Keep creating and I'll see you in my next video.